What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be trying all this baby food. I got every single kind of baby food at Walmart. I'm going to be eating a spoonful of each kind and rating them 1 through 10. Here we go. Alright, so first up we got squash. Squash. Let's go. Smells like pumpkin. Definitely a spoonful. Let's go. The -3. That one's probably like a 3, I would say. Next up we got corn and sweet potato. Oh yeah. Oh, that smells freaking bad. Oh my god. Yeah, I wish you could smell it. There you go. Smell it. It's gross. That one's bad. I may have messed up. Okay, let's go. Alright, next up is banana. Banana. Ah! Why do they all taste bad? Here we go. Ugh. Next up is chicken and chicken broth. Oh yeah. I almost puked. I got some sweet carrots. Let's go. That one was good. Nummy nummy. You know, I don't know why I do these things, but I hope at least someone likes it. Alright, next up is spinach, zucchini, and peas. That one's bad. Ugh. I'm gonna puke right here. Sorry. I mean, you gotta commend babies for this. What the hell are y'all feeding these babies? No wonder nobody likes fruits and vegetables. Y'all fed them this your whole life. Freaking horrible. Alright, now we got some sweet peas. Anyways. Alright, so now I got pear and raspberries. This one apparently is the best one. Still smells like shit. Alright, here we go. That one's not that bad. Still a little bad, but it's not that bad. Prunes. I won't have no problem pooping today. Looks like chocolate. Not that bad. This one, it don't taste that bad. I would rate that one probably a 6. Oh, raspberry. Yeah, I'll give that one a 7. It's not bad at all. This one was freaking horrible. I'd give that one probably a 2. This one was a 1. Definitely a 1. I would rather eat dog shit. This one was definitely a 1. If I could go lower than 1, it would be -10. I'd rather be ran over by a bus 17 times. This one was chunky and gross. I would probably give this one a 4 though. This one was freaking horrible. It was the first bad one I tasted. Probably I would give this one a 2, another 2. I thought this one would be a lot better, but it still tastes like ass. I'd give this one a 3. And squash. What even is that? Anyways, I'd rate this one probably a 2, another 2. That's all of them. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, drop a like below. If you guys have any suggestions for another challenge, drop them in the comment section below. And smash that subscribe button.